y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be going over our pink bubble bag. That's right, it's time for another Nadine West review. So if you're new to our channel, hey y'all, how y'all doing? My name is Shakema. I'm a single mother of 4 children. I have 2 girls, 2 boys, 1 fur dog, and we've just inherited a grandma. So I've been doing Nadine West reviews now pretty much for about close to 2 years, I think. I can't remember. I've gone through so many bags. And what I do is I will receive a bubble bag in the mail from a company called Nadine West. They're an online subscription-based clothing company. I don't get any kickbacks from Nadine West. All I get to do is review their clothing for an open and honest review. I'll tell you what I think of the things, and I do tell you, yes, I liked it, no, it didn't work for us, or I passed it along to somebody else. So if you're interested in trying Nadine West, there will be a link down in the description box below. Click the link, take the quick, short survey, and then Nadine West will style you with your own personal stylist. I'm excited to see what's in this bag, so let's jump in. All right, so I've opened up the bag. A couple things come inside of the bubble bag, and I wanted to share with you what they were. The first thing is a packing slip. It tells you everything that is inside of your bag. So this time there are 13 pieces inside of this bag. Also in the bag, it will tell you that if you want to return anything, they give you a return label, but I thought I'd mention this because it's important. On here, it says you have a certain date to return things. So it tells me my date down here on the bottom of my packing slip. And then they give you a return address label. You take this, you stick it on the front of your bag, put the items you don't want back in the bag, and send it back on them. So 13 items. I'm excited. Let's see what's in this bag. Okay, 1 bundle. 2 bundles. Whoop. 3rd bundle. So 3 bundles in this bag. Let's see what they sent us. Their packaging has always been impressive to me. I just think it's girly. It says fun. It's pink. Everything comes wrapped in this pink tissue paper. It has their signature Nadine West sticker on the outside. I just always love that. So let's see. Okay, here's a red top. This is a basic red. I've had tops like this before. So I think that would be neat to try. Here is a fun, let's see. Okay, I'm not real sure what this is exactly. It looks like a dress, but I would probably wear it with leggings. First of all, this is a thinner material than I would wear, but I do like the colors, and because it is summertime, I think these are some good summertime colors. It has almost like that racer back to it, but this is what it looks like on the front. And then it has a zip on the side, and it's pretty long. So either leggings or capris, white capris with a flat sandal. I think this would be really cute. The next piece is Alana's favorite color. She loves anything pink. And so it's just, this is an Yvette shirt, just a regular shirt, but pink. And if you have good bottom pieces, then some of these top pieces are going to be very neat to just help pair with some bottom pieces. So this is bag number 2, or bundle number 2. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, this is lovely. Here's a scarf. That's a very pretty scarf. And I have a couple of white dresses that I got from the Goodwill. You've seen that haul. And I think this would pair lovely. All right. Here's a black and white top. Okay, another top. This is sheer, so you definitely want to wear a cami beneath this. But I could see this in the office. I could see this. It has the sleeve that's buttoned up, or you can wear it unbuttoned. It comes down to a 3/4 length, or half at least, with the faux collared neckline. Does have some buttons in the front. So I could definitely see this in the office with something underneath it. All right. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, this is lovely. There's a purple with the black tie at the top. I don't know that that would have been my particular favorite. I'd probably just like it plain. But you can always pair this with a black pant or a black skirt. And then it has these flowy sleeves. So they always send me a pair of leggings, and that's just them. I have enjoyed all of the leggings. These are very pretty. These are a black and white with a faint purple flower, and I think these are very pretty. These are another pair that I actually would wear out of the house if I had a long enough top with a pair of pumps. I would definitely wear these outside with a long enough top, either purple or black, or even the gray, because there's gray in there. So that's pretty as well. And in the last bundle, okay, so this is the same material, same pattern and material as the leggings, but they are like those gaucho pants. So fun gaucho pants, which would look nice paired with this purple top. So look at that. See how that would work, right? You could see that. And this also, the pants have a belted top. So they have a top that you can belt. So I'm interested to see what that one looks like. That's very pretty. And then the last piece, oh, these are cute. These are a pair of, well, kind of like jeggings, if that makes any sense. But they're a blue color, right? They're kind of that skinny jegging. They're stretchy material, so they do stretch quite a lot. These are called, they have a comfort control to shape your waist. So I think they have the material that pulls in the things that need to be pulled in. So that would be lovely, right? And it does have little pockets on the back, so I think that's fun. Pockets on the front and pockets on the back. Then they sent some jewelry pieces, so let's see. And your jewelry pieces always come in these cute little pink drawstring bags. All right, so here's piece one. This is a necklace. And that's very pretty. Do like that. That's gold. I'm more of a silver toned, but I have grown to like some of the gold pieces. Here's a bracelet. And then last but not least, they sent some earrings, which are cute. And forgive my nails. I did not do my nails. Sorry, y'all. But there we go. So we're going to try on a couple of these pieces and see what we think and let you see them. everybody. So we didn't have a lot of pieces to try on per se, or a lot of outfits. We had several pieces. And here's what we think. So I'm wearing this black and white. And of course, right off the bat, I know that it's sheer. And I know that I don't have the right colored bra on. I do know that. So instead of changing, I just tried it on with the cami. And then what I'll do is I will wear a different colored bra. But y'all, I am so surprised because this is one of the softest materials that I have ever felt with one of their items that they've sent. I felt some soft materials before, but this just feels amazing. And I only tried it on with the leggings because that was what I had on earlier. And but normally if I were going to wear this to work, I would definitely wear this with a pair of black slacks or even a pair of white slacks for the summertime. You could do a white slack, or I could even get away with the gray because there is gray tones in this. So I noticed that their theme for this bag, or most of these pieces, were black, gray, and white, which I liked. The first outfit that I tried on, the all purple, didn't think that shirt was gonna fit, but y'all, when I went in the bathroom and changed, it really fit nice. Again, I realized that I didn't have the right colored bra on, so I get that. I will have to change or even wear a strapless bra, but that's no problem. But I honestly really did like that one. I love those flowy pants. They were what I would consider fun pants. They were a little bit longer than gauchos or calf length. They were not quite ankle length, but they were going towards that. And I love that shirt. It had the detailing around the neck. It was so pretty. So I love those two pieces. Alana tried on the peach colored dress. So we will have to get a slimmy for her for that dress, only because it's that material that's not necessarily forgiving sometimes. I think it fit better on her than it would on me. Looked great, but just a little bit of slimmy, or just she and I are both working on our weight goals, so that we're gonna save, and then possibly with some type of a wrap would be nice. If I were gonna wear it, it'd probably definitely be with a wrap. Other than that, I love those blue pants on her. I love the pink top, but I love it with the red top best. And then we did not try on the scarf, but I do have a white dress that I will dress that up with using that scarf. But overall, this was a good bag for us. So since I tried on the fun pants, I did not try on the black leggings that had the same pattern because I know they would fit fine as well. So anywho, there it is, this month's Nadine West review bag. We love this company. We're so thankful that they chose us. They reached out to us and say, hey, would you like to partner with us? And we said, sure, we don't mind. Gives us a great way to review some pieces. It's reasonable for people like me who are on a budget and maybe not able to do some of the other subscription companies that might be a little bit more pricey. I've had nothing but success with their pieces. There have been some pieces here or there that I haven't loved, but I've passed those along to others, my children in particular, both of my girls, and they have gotten some great wear out of them. So all the pieces that we love, we normally get to keep and add to our wardrobe. So anywho, if you're interested, again, that link will be down in the subscription box. Pop on over, take their quiz, and give it a try. Thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. We hope you liked this review. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.